Hello everyone. In this video we will know how to repartition disk drive on Windows without destroying the data. Right-click on Start and select Disk Management. Cut a part of the current partition to be a new one. Right-click the partition you want to cut, and choose Shrink Volume. Tune a size on the right of enter the amount of space to shrink. The value is the maximum value allowed by default, then press Shrink. No matter how much free space is left, the space released won't be over half the size of the current partition. You will see part of the space has been released. Add the undistributed space to the current partition. Here's another tip for you. If there's unassigned space following immediately after a drive letter in the disk manager, then this space can be merged into the drive letter. Right-click the partition you want to extend. This partition must have unassigned space following immediately after it, and press Extend Volume. Then tune a size for select the amount of space. The value is the maximum value allowed by default. And finish. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, don't forget like and subscribe our channel.